In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet Grid View. If you're new to Smartsheet or just getting comfortable with its layout, Grid View is the best place to start because it feels like a familiar spreadsheet while still giving you powerful project tools. Begin by opening Smartsheet in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, open the sheet you want to work on. At the top, switch to Grid View. This view displays all your tasks, columns and data in a clean row and column layout, so you can see everything at a glance and update it quickly. Let's set up your columns. Click the plus icon to add a new column, give it a clear name and pick the right column type. Text number is great for titles or notes. Date columns keep schedules consistent. Drop down standardized choices like status. Checkbox works for quick done or not tracking, and contact list helps you assign ownership. If your sheet grows, you can drag columns left or right to reorder them so the most important fields stay in view. Now add your work items row by row, type in task names, assign owners from the contact list, and set start and due dates to keep timelines honest. You can attach files or add notes directly to a row, so context stays with the task. To make priorities stand out, use conditional formatting to automatically color or style rows based on rules like high priority or overdue dates. This turns your sheet into a visual dashboard that guides attention. Quick note for anyone following along. The link to the Smartsheet website is at the top of the description, so you can open it right away and practice while you watch. When your sheet fills up, filtering and sorting keep it manageable. Click Filter to display only the rows that match criteria, like tasks assigned to you or items due this week. Click Sort to Order by date, status, or owner. Save filters you use often to switch views in a single click. Collaboration is built in. Click Share to invite teammates and set the right permission level. Viewer for read-only, editor for making updates, or admin for full control. Use comments in cells to discuss details and keep decisions tied to the exact row they affect. To streamline routine work, go to Automation and choose Create Workflow. Set a trigger such as when a row changes or a due date approaches, then define actions like sending alerts, requesting updates, or locking rows. Save and test so you're confident it behaves as expected. Your work autosaves. When you need to share outside Smartsheet, export to Excel, PDF, or Google Sheets. You can also integrate with Slack, Teams, Google Workspace, or Jira to keep your tools connected. Grid View is a simple, powerful way to organize and manage your data while collaborating with your team. With these steps, you'll get up to speed fast and stay productive. Thanks for watching.